Hello friends! Welcome to our channel where we break down the latest crypto market news. Today is the 25th of December, 2025, and we're talking about Hyperliquid, a decentralized perpetuals exchange on its own L1 blockchain, which is back in the spotlight. The HYPE price is currently trading around $24.60 to $25.10, with a slight growth in a narrow range. The market is tense. The fear and greed index for HYPE has dropped into the fear zone, and the token is testing support levels. But let's figure out what's really happening. We've gathered the key events of the day, analysis, and forecasts for you. If you're a trader or investor, this video is for you. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss updates.
Discover Etherify, a trusted project in the field of cryptocurrency staking. With an initial investment of $1,400, in just a few weeks I was able to grow my capital to $6,000, which speaks to the high efficiency and reliability of this platform. Etherify uses advanced technology on the Ethereum blockchain for staking, guaranteeing you a share of the profits from the fees earned by confirming transactions on this network. Currently, the project is actively working to attract permanent partners, offering them 90% of all profits, which significantly exceeds standard terms. My experience with Etherify confirms its honesty and transparency. Earning more than $5,000 in net profit through regular deposit and withdrawal operations proves that this project deserves your attention. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of these favorable conditions while the project is expanding its partner base and offering the most profitable staking rates.
First, about the price. HYPE started the day in a narrow range between $24.60 and $25.10, showing a slight upward trend. This is happening against the backdrop of a general crypto market correction, high volatility, and analysts note that the price fell by 24.46% over the last month. According to forecasts, HYPE could drop to $18.69 by December 29th, implying a further decline of 23.12%. But there's positivity. At the end of 2025, there's a price surge thanks to innovations in on-chain liquidity and institutional adoption. Now, about the main news. Hyper Foundation burned 37,510,000 HYPE tokens, worth $912 million. This happened after validator voting with 85% approval, which reduced the circulating supply by 13%. The burn is intended to increase scarcity and attract institutions, but the market reacts mixed. Despite this, the price remains under pressure from unlocks of 9,900,000 tokens. This could shock the market and push the price up. But for now, volatility and governance uncertainty make HYPE a high-risk asset with high potential. But there are risks. Hyperliquid is under close scrutiny after on-chain links with a former employee who shorted large volumes of HYPE, raising questions about compliance and insider trading. This could lead to further investigations and hit the platform's reputation. Positive news from whales. The total volume of whale positions on Hyperliquid reached $5.331 billion, with a long-short ratio of 0.95. One whale deposited 2,600,000 USDC and opened a short on LIT at 1x. Another new whale deposited 4 million USDC, opened a long on BTC and a short on ETH with 10x leverage. These moves show confidence in the platform despite market turbulence. About companies, Hyperliquid is shifting to a greater focus on B2B, delegating to builders but facing unlock pressure. Bitmine Immersion Technologies is ramping up positions but not directly related. The community is discussing the burn as a step toward $40 if scarcity works. Forecasts are mixed. If the burn enhances scarcity, expect a rally to $40. But technical indicators are bearish, and given the 24% decline over the month, the price could fall to $18.69. Long-term, institutional adoption and liquidity could lead to a new era of decentralized trading. But governance risks and scrutiny could push below $20. Regulatory news. Focus on compliance after the scandal with the ex-employee, which could affect trust. In conclusion, Hyperliquid is in focus with a massive burn, but under pressure from scrutiny and unlocks. If support at $24 holds, expect the rebound. Keep an eye on whales, forecasts, and on-chain data. Don't risk everything. Diversify and wait for signals. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Hold your hype tight, friends.